It promises to test the brilliance, the creativity, and knowledge of our students. And for me, really, it's an honor to be the host of all of yours for this exciting and intellectually enriching event here in our school, SBR Maheshwari Vidyalaya. Now, before we dive into this quiz competition, let's start our event with a meaningful tradition which we follow from centuries, the lamp lighting ceremony. The lighting of the lamp signifies the arrival of wisdom and knowledge in our life. I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am, today's event in charge, Mr. Vivek Sir, and all the entire maths team to come forward and light the lamp to officially inaugurate this quiz event. Ma'am. Thank you. May the light of this lamp guide us on our journey of learning, discovery, and success. Now, let me give you a brief overview of how the Maths Pioneer, the Inter-School Pioneer Quiz Competition, will unfold. This quiz has been designed to test not only your knowledge of mathematics, but also your ability to think critically, analyze the problems, and work under pressure also. The quiz will be conducted in 3 exciting levels. Level 1, prelims. This is the subjective exam. Kindly listen to the instructions and directions carefully, students. We begin this level with the subjective exam. This level contains 5 questions overall. Each question carries 5 marks. That means the round is of 25 marks total. The time limit for this round will be 30 minutes. This round will have a set of challenging questions and participants will have to solve that question. In short, they have to write the answers. While solving the questions, all the participants have to show the calculations in detail. Please remember, you have to show the calculations in detail. So kindly carry your stationery with you. And after this round, the top 10 scorers will move forward to the next exciting level. The first level quiz will be conducted in our computer lab, for which I request council members to escort all the participants to computer lab, and all the escort teachers are requested to stay here in the auditorium. second level, Maheshwari Public School, Euro School, Lancers Army School, Vashish Genesis. I think इसमें कंजूसी अच्छी नहीं लग रही. Radiant English Academy, Samiti English Medium School, AMS International School, ONEERS English Academy, the Millennium School, last but not the least, SBR Maheshwari Vidyapit. So these are the 10 schools who have qualified for the next level, and the schools who has not qualified for the next: Shri Shri Ravi Shankar, Vishwabharati Girls International School, Alchemy School, Nandova School, Vidyur High School, and Bhagwan Mahavir School. We kindly request the teams who have not qualified for the next round to stay with us. As I told you, please be with us only. We would love for you to witness the remaining rounds of this exciting competition and also to cheer on the teams who have qualified. Your presence will not only inspire them but also give them a chance, even you, a chance to learn and prepare for next time. Yes, so now we begin our level 2. It's called Math Spark Challenge, the online MCQ test. This is, yes, an online MCQ test where, yes, your speed and accuracy will be tested. You will face a series of fast-paced questions and the clock will be ticking. Each team will be provided 20 minutes for 10 MCQs. The top 4 scorers from this level, from this round, you can say, will earn their spot in the next, that is final level, the Prime Pinnacle Showdown. So, I request the council members to escort the qualified team to Junior Computer Lab for the online MCQ test. I'm sorry, please escort them to Senior Computer Lab. Maheshwari Public School. Can you give a huge round of applause? As yes, they have proved themselves. Next, Radiant English Academy. Third, we have AMS International School. And fourth top scorer is SBR Maheshwari. So let's begin with the level 3 Prime Pinnacle Showdown. And it's, yes, the final quiz. Finally, the grand finale level 3, and this is where the top 4 finalists will go head to head in a series of challenging and exciting quiz questions. This pressure will be high, I can understand that. The questions will be tough, but only the best will emerge as the victorious one and the pioneer quiz champion. This last level has been divided into 5 rounds, and let's start with the first round. But before that, now we are going to call our teams as Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta. And for this purpose, I would like to call on the basis of result of level 2. Students of grade 10 will come and select the chips from here. So first I would like to call from Maheshwari Public School, student of grade 10. Kindly come here and select one chip from here so that we could decide that which group or which team we are doing here. Here are the 4 which are going to be. Great. Maheshwari Public School has selected Alpha Group. Please give a huge round of applause for this. I will request students of Maheshwari Public School to get settled at their place. Here is the Alpha Group, the first group. Next, I'll request the 10th grade student from Radiant English Academy to come and pick a chip from here. And even other students, other members can come here so that we could decide your place also. From Radiant English Academy, please take one chip. Please give it. It's a coincidence. Second team has got the Beta group. Kindly settle here, children. Now I'd like to call grade 10 student from AMNS International School and will request other participants also to be here. Please come and select one of the remaining 2 chips. Okay, so this third team is going to be at Gamma. Okay, now remaining last, I request SBR Maheshwari School participants to come here and be at Delta place. So now let's begin with the first round of grand finale. It's called Quiz Torsion. Participants, kindly listen to the directions carefully. In this round, Quiz Torsion, each team will be asked 3 questions turn-wise. Every team has to answer the question in 1 minute. 20 points for every correct answer. That means, if you are correct in all 3, you people will score 60 points. Good thing is, there is no negative marking in this, and you cannot pass the question. So no passing is allowed in this. I hope all the teams are clear with the rules. Yeah, as it is flashing it here also, so you can easily see that. Here goes the question, first question for Alpha team. Find the missing term from the series. Series is flashed here. EG, dash, KM, NP and QX. Your time starts now.
HJ.
Team Alpha gave the answer HJ. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah, the team has given correct. Moving to Beta, their question is, complete the series AZ, CX, EV, GT and dash. Your time starts now.
JR.
Okay. They gave the answer GR. Sorry, it is wrong answer. Your answer is IR. Well, try the next one. Now, the next team, your question is, yes, the Gamma team, your question is complete the series. RDL, SEM, TFN, UGO, and dash. Your time starts now.
The answer is PHP.
Can you please repeat?
PHP.
Yes, the answer is absolutely correct. It's VHP. Please give a huge round of applause for the teams. They give your motivation. And I request all the students, those who are witnessing this grand finale, kindly maintain the discipline and silence so that these students could focus and concentrate on their calculations. Okay, moving ahead to Delta team, your question is complete the series AZBY, DWEB, GBHS, JQKB, and dash. Your time starts now. It's okay, we are also checking manually, don't worry. MNON. You said MNON. Sorry, this is wrong answer. Actual answer is MNNM. And after these questions, those who gave correct answers, they have secured 20 points for each question. Now coming back to Alpha team, your second question is, Tanya and Priya left town P and traveled in opposite directions to town Q and town R respectively at 7:30 a.m. Tanya was traveling at a speed of 68 km per hour, while Priya was traveling at a speed of 52 km per hour. How far apart are they at 9:30 a.m.? Your time starts now. Yes, it's very quick and correct answer. It's 240. Please give a huge round of applause to the teams. They are giving their best. Moving to Team Beta, the question is, the fluid contained in a bucket can fill 4 large bottles or 7 small bottles. A full large bottle is used to fill an empty small bottle. What fraction of the fluid is left over in the large bottle when the small one is full? Your time starts now.
Three by four.
3 by 4 is wrong answer. The correct answer is 3:28. Moving to the next team, Gamma. Your question is, a swimming pool is 24 meters long and 15 meters broad. When a number of men dive into the pool, the height of the water rises by 1 centimeter. If the average amount of water displaced by one of the men is 0.1, how many men are there in the pool? Your time starts now.
Uh, 36.
Sorry team, this is wrong answer. Correct answer is 60. Okay, now last Delta team, your question is, in the morning batch at a school, we have observed that when 5 students took seat on each bench, 4 students remained unseated. But when 11 students took seat per bench, 4 benches remained vacant. The numbers of students in the morning batch were, your time starts now. One, 4, 14, you want to say?
14. Yes.
Sorry, it's wrong answer. Correct answer is 44. Moving ahead for the last question to Team Alpha. In a class of 100 students, Shivani's rank is 37 from the top. What is her rank from the bottom? Your time starts now. Yes, it's correct answer. It is 64 and they have scored 20 marks for this. Now, moving to Peter, your question is, Shivam ranks 7 from the top and 26 from the bottom in the class. Find the total number of students in the class. Your time starts now. Yes, is correct answer. Answer is 32. And this team also scored 20 points. Moving to third, Dharma team, your question is, 30 students are standing in a single line. Sham is 19th from the left end. What's his position from the right? Your time starts now.
Answer is 12.
Answer is?
1 to 12 position.
Yes, it's correct answer. So here they scored 20 points again. Now moving to the last question of this round to Team Delta. Ayush is at 15th position from the left and 23rd position from the right hand. Find the total number of students in the line. Your time starts now.
Students.
Yes, it's correct answer. 37. So at the end of round 1, Score says Team Alpha 60 points, Team Beta 20 points, Team Gamma 40 points, and Team Delta has secured 20 points. Now moving ahead to the next round, I would like to request Vivek sir to conduct the next level.
Thank you everyone for the enthusiasm so far. Now we are entering into an exciting round of the Math Pioneer, that is the MCQ round. The name of the round is the puzzlers. And the rules for this MCQ rounds are as follows. In this round, each team will be asked 2 multiple choice questions. Every team has to answer the question in the time frame of 1 minute. 20 points will be awarded for each correct answer. There is no negative marking and no passing is allowed in this question. So let's start with the team Alpha. Here goes the first question. A semicircular sheet of metal of diameter 28 centimeter is bent to form an open conical curve. Then slant height of the conical curve so formed will be. Your time starts now.
40.
It's so quick, 40 is the correct answer. 20 points to Team Alpha. The first question for the Team Beta. If A's income is 10% more than B's income, by how much percentage B's income is less than A's? Your time starts now.
Nine teacher 1 upon 11 percentage.
Absolutely correct. 9 teacher 1 by 11. 20 points to Team Beta. Here we go for the first question of Team Gamma. The ratio of the volume of the cube of a side is 2 pi centimeter and a cylinder of a radius 2 pi centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. The ratio of the volumes are. Your time starts now.
The answer is 1:3. The cube is 1 and the cylinder is 3.
Absolutely correct. 20 points to Team Gamma. The first MCQ for the Team Delta is if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x square upon yz plus y square upon xz plus z square upon xy is equals to. Your time starts now. I would request audience to please maintain silence so that participants can focus on their calculations. It's a humble request.
Option C, 3.
Option C, 3 is the correct answer. 20 points to Team Delta. Here we go for the second set of the MCQs. The question for the Team Alpha is the value of the expression x to the power a, x to the power b to the power a plus b into x to the power b, x to the power c to the power b plus c, x to the power c upon x to the power a, come to the power c plus a is. Your time starts now. points to the team alpha. Second question for team beta. If three cubes of edge 2 cm are joined side by side to form a cuboid, the ratio of the volume of the cuboid and the cube is? Three is to 1 is the correct answer. 20 points to team beta. Second question for the team gamma. Sum of first 100 natural numbers are? Students, please maintain silence. It's a humble request. I know that you are too excited.
The answer is B 5050.
5050 is absolutely correct. 20 points to the team gamma. And the last question for this round, the puzzlers, for the team delta. The area of the adjacent faces of cuboid is 30 centimeters square, 20 centimeters square, and 24 centimeters square. Find the volume of the cuboid. Option A, 120 is absolutely correct. 20 points to the team delta. So I would like to announce the final score after round 2. The team alpha is leading with 100 points. Team beta has scored 60 points. Team gamma is on the second position, that is 80 points. And team delta is on third position with team beta by scoring 60 points. Now I would like to call Sunil sir to please carry forward with the next round of questions.
Thank you, sir. Yes, the quiz is really getting very excited. Moving to the next round, the name of the next round is Metromania, and this round is divided into 5 sub-rounds. I'm going to start with the first sub-round of Metromania, which is called Who Am I? Okay, here are the directions, students. Each team has to select one number from 1 to 3, 4, and photo of mathematician associated with number will be displayed, and respective team has to answer. Team with highest points will get a chance to select first, followed by other team as per their score. 20 points for correct answer, negative 10 points for incorrect answer. So be careful while giving your answers. Maximum time limit, each team will get 15 seconds, and again the same, passing is not allowed. Now, I will give this chance to team alpha to select any number out of the 4 one which you want to answer. Team Alpha, which number you want to select? Out of 4. That photo will be displayed.
3.
Number 3, sir, please. Identify. Time starts now. Sorry, this is wrong answer. The correct answer is Archimedes. Yes, this is negative 10 points. That's why I told you in advance, students are be careful before getting answer. Okay, moving to team beta. Now kindly select out of 3 remaining numbers which picture you want to see. Second, sir, please. Your time starts now. Sorry, this is again wrong answer. This is Euclid. Again, negative marking. Now moving to grammar team. Select any one out of remaining 2.
4.
Picture number 4.
Yes, the time.
Your time starts now. Students kindly maintain silence.
Pascal.
Sorry, this is wrong. Correct answer is Brahmagupta. And obviously, only one option left with Team Delta. Sir, time starts now. Yes, it's correct answer. This is Hale. So here this sub-round gets over, and at the end of this, I request Vivek sir to conduct the next sub-round.
Welcome back, everyone. It's time to put your visiting skills to test in our next Philip segment, that is the logical puzzle round. The name of the round is Crack Me If You Can. In this round, a logical puzzle will be shown to each team. Each team has to solve the puzzle, and the maximum time limit for that solving that puzzle is 20 seconds. Plus 20 points will be awarded for each correct answer. And please remember, in this round also, we have negative marking. Minus 10 points will be awarded if you answer the puzzle incorrectly. Maximum time limit is 20 seconds, and passing of the question is not allowed. So here goes the first puzzle for the team Alpha. Your time starts now.
$93.
93, absolutely correct. 20 points to Team Alpha. The next puzzle for Team Beta. Here it goes. Your time starts now. 39, absolutely correct. 20 points to Team Beta. The puzzle for Team Gamma, here it is. Your time starts now.
936.
936, absolutely correct. 20 points to Team Gamma. Again, I am requesting all the audience, please, I can understand your level of excitement, but please let the participant concentrate on their questions. The puzzle for Team Delta, here it is, your time starts now. 189, absolutely correct. 20 points to the team Delta. Now, Digital, please come to the next round.
Thank you, sir. Moving to the next. Third sub-round is Textomania. Let's have the rules first for this. One mathematical question will be asked to each student but of class 8 as per class syllabus. Team member has to come forward and solve the given problem solely, individually, 8 standard order. 20 points for correct answer, no negative marking. Maximum time limit is 1 minute. Again, passing is not allowed. For this, I request other students except 8-1 to move a little away from the table so that student could solve it solely. Okay, the question for Team Alpha. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the end as shown in figure. Find the perimeter of the garden. Time starts now. Is wrong answer, Team Alpha. Correct answer is 48. But we think is no negative mark. Team Beta, your question is the area of square ABCD is 16 centimeters square. Find the area of the square joining the midpoint of the sides. Time starts now. Sorry, this is again wrong answer. Correct answer is 8 centimeters square. Moving to Team Gamma. Find the area of a rhombus having each side equal to 15 centimeter and one of whose diagonal is 24 centimeters. Your time starts now. Sorry, this is wrong answer. It's 216 centimeters square. Now, last question of this round goes to Delta team. If the area of a rhombus be 24 centimeters square and one of its diagonals be 6 centimeter, find the perimeter of the rhombus. Time starts now. Oh, this this lapse of time, but still I think the answer, correct answer is 20 centimeter. So at the end, I'll call Vivek sir again to conduct the remaining sub rounds.
Now I will request all the 9th and 10th standard students, please, you can come forward. Have your seats. So it's time to level up our excitement with the next thrilling round, that is the magic square round. In this round, where logic meets fun and challenge intensify, teams get ready to flex your brain and solve within a grade. The rules of the magic square is there will be a same magic square given to each team. Each team has to solve the magic square as per the given instruction in the fastest time. I would request members, please listen to the instructions carefully. You have to place the digits from 1 to 9 in the respective places so that the sum of the numbers in each row, each column and diagonal wise will be equals to 50. Numbers should not be repeated. Team solving first. I can see you are not supposed to solve on the rough paper. We will be providing the sheet, on that only you have to solve. The team which will be solving the first will get the 20 points. Team solving the second will get the 15 points. And team solving first will get the 10 points. No negative marking. And 2 minutes are provided for this magic square. Vinod sir, please distribute the magic squares. Please wait for some time, Radiant. So all the teams got the magic square. And your time starts now. You can turn the page. The team who complete first. If it is wrong, the second priority will be given to the other team. We got the first 2 teams. So here we got 3 winners. Sorry for the MPS, but we have already received the first top 3 rankers of this particular round. The first 20 points goes to AMNS school, that is Team Gamma. 15 points will be awarded to the Team Delta, and 10 points will be awarded to the Team Beta. So next round we'll be having a more creative round. This time we have introduced in our Math Pioneer. The name of the round is Telegram. So Telegram is an old Chinese puzzle which consists of various shapes, which consist of 2 small triangles, 1 medium triangle, 1 parallelogram and 2 big triangles. These small shapes will be provided to the teams, and they are supposed to combine these small shapes to form a given figure. The team which will be solving first will be awarded 20 points, team which will be solving second will be awarded with 15 points, and team third will be awarded with the 10 points. I would request all the participants to clear your table a little bit so that you can arrange the shapes on your tables. Sir, I would request distribute the diagrams. clean the table first so that you can arrange. Once you complete I will open the envelope, please. Once you have completed the 10 gram, you have to simply raise your hand that, sir, we have completed. Maximum time limit is 2 minutes. No negative marking is here. And your time starts now. You can take out the shapes. You have to arrange the shapes to get a square. All the pieces should be utilized. It has to be a perfect square. And time up, but I can see the enthusiasm in the students. So, on the approval of our principal ma'am, we are providing 1 minute extra time for this round. Done. Team ANS has already done. Time up, please. So here we have two winners of this now. The 20 points will be awarded to the team Gamma, who has solved this 10 gram in the less number of time, and team Alpha will be awarded with the 15 points for holding the second position. This now truly shows us how the maths can be a fun with more creative minds. So this was a solution of this 10 gram. All the 7 pieces combined together to form a perfect square. You have to be a little bit tricky to solve this type of puzzles. So this is the end of our round 3, and after round 3, the scores are Team Alpha with 125 points. Please give them a big round of applause. Team Beta has scored 80 points. Team Gamma has scored 130 points. And Team Delta has scored 150 points. So I can say the team Gamma is leading with 130 points, followed by the team Alpha with 125 points, then team Delta with 115 points, and team Beta with 80 points. But never lose the hope, we have 2 more rounds which can change the result. So for the upcoming 2 rounds, I would like to call Sunil sir.
Okay, let's start with the round 4, fastest finger first, which is also called buzzer round. Here are the predictions. Kindly listen to it carefully. A question will be fired and the team who presses the buzzer first will get the opportunity to answer first. Total 6 questions will be asked. 20 points will be awarded for each correct answer, but be careful because negative marking is there. -10 for incorrect answer. After pressing the buzzer, team has to answer immediately. You cannot take any more time. Okay? So please think before pressing the buzzer. If not answered correctly by first team, then question will be passed to second team who had pressed the buzzer, but choice to answer the question will be open. That means the next team, whether they want to answer or not, it will be solely their choice. 10 points for correct answer for second team if they choose to answer, and negative marking -5 if it is incorrect answer. Before I ask the questions, I request all the teams just check that soft buzz button must be green before I ask a question. It should be green, okay? Not of any other color. And if it is, then kindly inform us. Kindly press your buzzer to check. I request Shiv sir.
Please check the buzzer.
Please press the button, yes, so that we can check whether working or not. Okay, I hope after this we all are ready for round 4, fastest finger first. Now before first question, I again request all of the teams to check whether the buzzer is green or not. At the end, nothing will be heard then. Now question number 1. Pointing towards Seema, Bunty said, "I am the only son of her mother's son." How is Seema related to Bunty?
Beta.
Team Beta, please answer.
She is her sibling, twin sister.
Okay, it's wrong. Next chance goes to Team Alpha. It's again a wrong answer. Team Gamma, yes. Okay, still one minute. Only one pass is allowed. I'm sorry, I can't give you for this. Answer is aunt. She's aunt. Okay, question number 2 now. Yes, Ravi starts walking towards west. After walking 50 meters, he turns to right and walks 15 meters. Again, he turns to the right and walks a distance of 30 meters. Finally, turning to the right and covering the distance of 15 meters, how far is Ravi from the starting point and in which direction?
Delta.
Okay, Team Delta, you buzzer first. West 20. West 20 is the correct answer. Here we go for fourth question. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the 3 figures.
Big 100.
Yes, it's the correct answer. It's 100. Give a huge round of applause to the teams who are giving correct answer. If given figure is a net of cube having alphabets on the faces, which letter is opposite of cube? Team Delta. Team Delta. And yes, correct answer. And moving to the last question, sixth one. The average weight of 3 persons is 65 kilogram. If a fourth person having weight 45 kg join group, what's the new average of the group?
Team Gamma.
Team Gamma.
60.
Yes, it's correct answer. It's 60. So here we have completed this round. I request Vivek sir to take charge.
So after 4 rounds, the scores are as follows. Team Alpha has scored 120 points. Team Beta has scored 70 points. Team Gamma is leading with 170 points. And Team Delta is 155 points. So, hold on your seats, everyone, because we are stepping into the most silly part of the math pioneer, the final round. I would request all the students, please maintain the discipline, please maintain the silence. This is the last round. So the last round of the math pioneer is the fast and furious round. That is the rapid fire round. This round is all about the speed, precision and quick thinking. So the rules of the rapid fire rounds are as follows. Teams must aim to answer as many questions as possible within the given time limits. Each team will be asked to nominate one member from the team to answer the question. Nominated member will be given 90 seconds to answer the maximum number of questions. If the student they don't know the answer, they can just simply say pass so that we can read out the next question. 10 points will be awarded for each correct answer and no negative marking is there in this round. I hope the rules are clear to everyone.
If suppose I am the person who is nominated, then will my team members...
Team members can help the other members to solve the question. Only for answering the question you have to nominate one person. That particular person will only answer the question. The rest other two members can help that person in calculations or in solving the question. We don't have issue with that. I hope the rules are clear to everyone. This is the round which can clearly change the destiny. The team Alpha, to whom do you nominate? The nominated person, please stand up. Hold the mic. So the questions. So ready, sir? So here goes the question first. What is the ratio of 40 paisa to 4 rupees?
1:10.
Correct. Convert 1:5 to percentage.
20%.
Correct. 20% of 80 is?
7.
Correct. Side of the square of the volume 216 centimeter cube is?
8.
Incorrect. The number 1 upon 150 is a terminating or non-terminating?
Terminating.
Wrong. The point of intersection of all the radians in the triangle is called?
Pass.
The square of 125.
Pass.
What is the first odd composite number?
9.
Correct. 1 meter cube is how many liters?
1000.
Correct. Probability of 53 Mondays in a non-leap year is? Supplementary of the complementary angle of 60 is?
120.
Incorrect. If two triangles are congruent, then they are always similar. True or false?
True.
Correct. Sum of the ordinates of the point 3, -4 and -2, -3 is? The number of legs of 10 hands and 4 claws. The team Alpha has answered 6 correct questions. 60 points will be awarded to team Alpha. Here we go for the team Beta. And your time starts now. 62% of 50 is?
62. Pass.
What is the even prime number?
2.
Correct. Number of edges of a pentagonal pyramid?
Pass.
The Roman numeral for 1000?
And
Correct. 1 centimeter cube is how many liters?
1000.
Wrong. The distance of the point 3, 4 from the origin is?
Pass.
Centroid divides the median in the ratio?
1 is to 3. 3. 1 is to 3.
Incorrect. Probability of 53 Mondays in a leap year?
Pass. Okay.
If two complementary angles are equal, then each angle is?
45.
Correct. If the ratio of the perimeter of two triangles, similar triangle is 3:4, the ratio of their side is?
3:4.
Correct. Equation of x-axis is?
X, 0.
Incorrect. Two cubes having the volume in the ratio 1:8, then the ratio of their surface area is?
Skip.
If sin square x plus cos square 30 degree is equals to 1, then x is equals to?
30.
Correct. How many faces a triangular prism have?
Pass.
If the diagonal of a square is x, then its sides will be?
Root under X. Root under X.
Incorrect. 5 correct questions, 50 points for the team Beta. Now team Gamma.
Hello. Ready, sir.
So here we go. The smallest two-digit prime number is?
11.
Correct. Number of vertices of a triangular pyramid?
4.
Correct. Roman numeral of 500?
L.
Incorrect. Probability of a face card in 52 cards?
4/13.
Incorrect. The sum of coincident angles of two parallel lines in a transversal are?
180.
Correct. Diagonal of a rhombus are equal. True or false?
False.
Correct. The point of intersection of all the three altitudes of a triangle is called?
Centroid.
Incorrect.
To centroid.
First answer will be given. Equation of y-axis is?
Y is equals to mx plus b.
Incorrect. If the height of the cylinder is double and its radius is half, then the volume will be?
Half.
Correct. If sec x minus tan x equal to 2, then sec x plus tan x is?
Pass.
Sum of all angles in an octagon is?
Pass.
Which are the first three triangular numbers?
Pass.
The ratio of the volume of a cylinder and the core of same height and the same radius is?
1/3. 1 is to 3.
Correct. The square root of 0.0001 is?
0.01.
Correct. The area of rhombus whose diagonal are 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter is?
18.
Correct. That's it. 8. Team Gamma has answered 8 correct questions, 80 points for Team Gamma. Team Delta, please be ready. So here we go. Number of edges of a square pyramid?
7.
Incorrect. Roman numeral for 100?
D.
Correct. 1 kiloliter is equals to how many meter cube?
Pass.
Probability of impossible event is?
0.
Correct. Sum of all interior angles of a polygon of n side is given by?
Pass.
Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilaterals are?
180 degree.
Correct. The zeros of x square minus x are?
1 and minus 1.
Incorrect. In which quadrant does the point minus 4 comma 8 lie?
Second quadrant.
Correct. If sin x is equals to 1 by 2, then cos x is?
1 by 2.
Incorrect. The number of edges of an octahedron is?
Pass.
If the base of a triangle is double and the height is half, then area is?
Same. Equal.
Correct. The sum of n consecutive odd numbers is given by?
N plus 1 all over 2.
No, incorrect. The degree of a constant polynomial is?
0.
Correct. The square root of 0.0004 is?
0.02.
Correct. The third pair of the twin prime number is? You can answer this question. The third pair of twin prime number is? That's it. How many answers? 7 correct answers, so 70 points will be awarded to Team Delta. Now I would like to call Sunil sir to conclude this event with the results.
Okay, so now the moment we have all been waiting for. So after an intense battle, I should say, it was not lesser than any battle. Maybe it was not on a war ground, but it was here, the mental battle. It's time to announce the winner of the Math Pioneer Inter-School Quiz Competition. And let's hear it for our Math Pioneer Quiz champion, the participant who emerged victorious in the Prime Pinnacle Showdown. First, I would like to announce the runner-up team here. Team Delta is the runner-up team. And yes, here are the winners with 250 points. Team Gamma, I mean to say AMNS International School, is the winner of the first competition. And to honor the achievements of these winning teams, it's my pleasure to invite our esteemed principal ma'am, whose unwavering support and encouragement have made this event possible. Now, please kindly come forward and present the trophies to the winning team. I request Rahul Pradhan sir to accompany their participants, their students. Sir, please. Students. Yes, please come forward. Congratulations to the champion and to the participants. You have all shown incredible mathematical abilities today. It's a really a moment to cherish and remember. same school last time was runner-up and this time they are the winners. So I really want everyone to give a huge round of applause to this team. It's SBR Maheshwari Vidyalaya. I request Kishore sir to accompany runner-up team. Again, this is a very, very cheerful moment for the teams to celebrate. Yeah, congratulations again to SBR Maheshwari Vidyalaya. I request council member to collect